So in today's session, we are going to understand about problem management, guys. In today's session, we are going to understand about problem management. Before we go to the topic, we will understand what is problem. Hmm? Let us discuss some real world examples so that you will be able to understand better. I went to a doctor with a stomach pain. I went to a doctor with a stomach pain. Then what he told? You use this medicine, it will be cured. So second thing, after 1 week or 10 days, again you have got the stomach pain. You go to the doctor, he will give some other medicine, some powerful medicine. You will use it. After 10 days or 15 days, again the stomach pain will come. What you will do? You will again go to the doctor. Third time. Doctor will give you some prescription. And you will go to the home and then you will use that medication. After 10-15 days, again the stomach pain will come again. Okay. Here, if that is repeatedly happening, that is a problem. There is a problem in the stomach. Getting my point? There is a problem in the stomach. Right. In the organizations, if any software is not working, let us take Salesforce software is not working. You will go to Salesforce admins. They will provide some solution. Firstly, when Salesforce application is not working for an employee, he will create an incident to the Salesforce admins. They will work on their incident. They will provide the solution. The solution that they are providing is temporarily working. Okay. And after 10 days, again the Salesforce issue occurred to the same employee again, like stomach ache, like stomach pain. He again contacted Salesforce admins by creating an incident. They have provided some other solution that also didn't work. After 15 days, again he created a third incident. Same employee, same issue. Third time, he created an incident to the Salesforce admins. They provide some solution, whatever the solution that they are providing, that is not working properly. Okay. Here, like you have doctors, in the doctors we have different levels. RMP doctor, MBBS doctor, PG doctor. Right. Getting my point? Similarly, in the admins also, there will be 3 levels. Level 1 engineers, level 2 engineers, level 3 engineers. You might have heard about RMP doctor, MBBS doctor. Specialist. Specialist means who has done PG in that. PG in one particular area. PG in bones, PG in dental, teeth, PG in skin. So they do masters in the PG, in the masters in one particular area, right? So like you have RMP doctor, MBBS doctor, and you have specialist doctor, right? Eye specialist, nose specialist, something like that. So those specialists are actually PG, those who have completed the PG, right? Similarly, in the organization also, level 1 engineers, level 2 engineers, level 3 engineers. What RMP doctors does? They use salines, they do injections, they'll keep salines. So first aid will be done by RMP doctors. Second, medication and all, they'll be giving, MBBS doctors will be giving that. Final level specialists, we call them as level 3 engineers. Got it, right? If it is a minor issue, we'll go to level 1 engineers. If it is a severe, then you'll go to level 2. If it is critical, you'll go to level 3. Getting my point? In ServiceNow also, level 1 admins, level 2 admins, level 3 admins. Got it, right? Admins are 3 types, guys. Level 1 admins, level 2 admins, level 3 admins. Level 1 admins are for first aids. Uh, for first aid purpose, they use level 1 doctors. Level 2 doctors means like fevers. Okay. Like fever, diarrhea, malaria, dengue. For them, they use level 2 doctors. For surgeries, hmm, for major things, specialists are actually recommended. So here, the employee who is facing the Salesforce issue has created an incident. Okay. So level 1 engineers, he will first he go to level 1 engineers. If they are not able to provide the solution, they will recommend to level 2 engineers. If level 2 engineers, they try their end, they will provide their solution. If their solutions didn't work 3 times, this guy has created three incidents, but still level 2 engineers are not able to provide the solution, right? Then level 2 engineers recommend level 3 engineers. Normally, doctor himself will obey that I am not able to provide the solution to this one. You go to the specialist doctor. Doctors themselves, they will recommend you. If I am not able to do it, go to this person, he will do it. That is what doctors does. If doctor is acting like I am a specialist, then the patient will tell that I don't want to come to you. I'll go to some other doctor. Instead of getting blessings from the patient, doctor himself will recommend a specialist doctor. Okay. So here in this case, if the incident is repeatedly happening, we call that as problem, guys. The same issue happening for the same person over a period of time, we call that as a problem. Got it, right? Repeated interruption in the service is called problem. Repeated interruption in the service is called problem. Sudden interruption in the service is called incident. Repeated interruption in the service is called problem. Mostly problems are worked by level 3 engineers. Specialist doctors will work on the level 3 issues. Problems will be worked by level 3 engineers. Okay. Repeated interruption in the service is called problem. Okay. Fine. So guys, after the service interruptions, you can consider that as a problem. Suppose today when I am working on ServiceNow, it has suddenly logged out, and you contacted ServiceNow admin. He will tell you why this issue has happened. After 10 days, again you log into ServiceNow, you will work on. While working on, all of a sudden it logged out. Again you will contact ServiceNow admin. He'll provide some other solution. So boss, I don't want your solutions. I want a permanent solution. Then if L2 engineer is not able to provide the solution, he will suggest level 3 engineers. Okay. So then what level 3 engineer does? He do scanning, he do MRI, he does all this. That is called root cause analysis. So that level 3 engineer does root cause analysis. After doing the root cause analysis, he will identify what is the problem. Once he fixed the problem, the issue should not come next time. Got it right? If the issue is repeatedly happening, if the level 2 engineer is not able to provide the solution, it will be recommended to level 3 engineers. Level 3 engineer will do root cause analysis. Level 3 engineers mostly work on problems, guys. Okay. So here I'm actually creating an incident, guys. So you have to write some content here. I'm writing some test like that. You created an incident that will be assigned to respective person. Once you assign it to someone, it will go to in progress. He will provide the solution. Okay, he'll provide the solution. After the solution, it is temporarily working. Temporarily working. The medication that is doctor is giving is temporarily working. So then able tutor is telling that okay, it is working. You can go ahead and close. This incident is actually getting closed. Once the incident is closed, gone. Okay. So now what I am doing is I am actually creating another incident, second incident. After 10 days, I am creating a second incident. So he will actually resolve it after the resolution of the resolution. Again, close it. So by fourth time, we can see after 3 times, we can identify the issue is repeatedly happening. The solution that the level 2 engineers are providing is not working. Okay, fourth time, you will realize. Fourth time, you will realize, doctor, solution that you are providing is not working. Kindly recommend me to a specialist doctor. Okay. So fourth time, you can ask him. 3 times is too early. Fourth time, you will ask the doctor. Fourth time, you will ask the doctor. Okay. Doctor, the solutions that you are providing is not working. Kindly provide me the proper solution, or else recommend me a specialist doctor. So then from this incident, we can create a problem, guys. You can see create problem. If the incident is closed, you cannot actually, if the incident is closed, you cannot actually create a problem. Okay. Only in the open incident, which is not closed, open means which is not closed. Yes. So problem, you can see this create problem option only when it is not in the closed state. Closed means it is gone. Not closed means open. Okay, you are creating a problem from this incident. So you can ask MBBS doctor to level 2 engineers to create the problem. They will create a problem. Okay. And you created a problem from this particular incident, guys. And there should be a proof, right? You have already consulted these many doctors like that. You have to add incidents which is already created. You have already created the incident, right? Those incidents you will tag it here. Okay. So you will assign it to a specialist doctor team, level 3 engineers. Okay. Select problem analyzers. So someone from this team, a specialist doctor, he will actually own this incident, he own this problem. problem administrator. As soon as it is assigned to someone, it is in the assess state. He will assess it. Assess means he will go through the short description, assigned incident, that attached incident. He will go through everything. He'll go through everything. Then he will realize if it is a real problem or not. That guy can understand that is a real problem or not. That is not really a problem, just a minor change. Then he will say that this is not a problem. Something like that he'll tell you. If this is a really a problem, he'll click on confirm here. If this is not really a problem, he'll cancel. If there is already a problem for the same issue, if there is already a problem for the same issue, you can mark it as duplicate. You can mark it as duplicate. So I am just confirming that this is problem. This guy will confirm that this is a problem. Root cause analysis. Here scannings, MRIs, everything will be done here. If you do scanning, MRI, everything, X-ray, what is happening, what is in your stomach and all is clearly visible. Is there any stomach in your, is there any stone in your stomach? Is there any infection? He can clearly see that. He will have that access. Level 3 engineer will have that access. So after the test and all, this guy will come to the conclusion. And he write his analysis information. Okay. So he can add the images. He can show the report here, X-ray report. So he can write all his comments here. I'm writing some test here. What exactly the cause? This is actually, what is the temporary solution? Like you give anesthesia for temporary relief, right? Doctors give anesthesia for temporary relief. So similarly, what is the temporary solution? Workaround means temporary solution. What exactly the root cause? Cause notes. Cause note means exactly the reason. By looking at the X-ray, scanning, MRI and all, everything and all, you can come to know, right? So we can write that comments here. And if you go to the resolution information, what is the solution? X notes means what is the solution? I am providing test solution here. For providing this, you can mark it as fix here. You can mark it as fix here, fix in progress. Fix in progress means you have to, if you can apply the fix here. If doctor can do something there and there to a patient, they can do it. If doctor can only suggest medication, that guy has to follow medication. Okay. Doctor will tell you what is the cause and all, why it has happened and all. He will tell you all the reasons. So if something doctor has to do, he'll do it. Or else he can ask L2 maybe MBBS developers to do it. Or if patient has to follow something, he will note it down. Finally, we will click on resolve here. So once you provide the resolution notes, So if you open the incident here, the incident also will be resolved here. Writing problem. Okay. Fix applied, resolved, right? It is supposed to be resolved automatically. So once you close this problem, right? Once you resolve this problem, the associated incident will automatically go resolved. I think in your personal developer instance, it will work. Mine, I made a lot of changes. So whenever you resolve the problem, the associated incident will be automatically resolved. The associated problem will be resolved. Sorry, associated incident will be resolved once you resolve the problem. And whatever the fixed notes that you provided will come to this particular incident automatically. So the logic is actually deactivated, looks like in my instance. Okay, if you take a look at in your personal developer instance, it will be automatically resolved. Resolution resolution code will be set as resolved by problem. Okay, resolution nodes will be solution will be added. Okay, whatever the resolution nodes that you added, that will come to here automatically. So that means once the problem is resolved, automatically the associated incident will be resolved. Okay, once the problem is resolved, associated incident automatically will be resolved. You try it in your personal developer instance, definitely incident will be resolved automatically. Okay. So that means here the fixed notes applied by specialist. Specialist applied the fixed notes. Then he marked it as resolved. Once it is resolved, automatically incident is resolved. Once incident is resolved, this guy has to confirm. So what this guy can does, okay, hold on for some time. Keep it hold on for some time. Awaiting caller. I will tell you, I will observe I will observe from my end. If I don't get the same issue in next 20 days or 30 days, I will confirm you to close the problem and close the incident. Got it, right? So once the problem is resolved, automatically associated incident will be resolved. Once it is resolved, so once it is resolved, okay, once it is resolved, this guy can ask this team, okay guys, keep it in on hold and keep it as awaiting caller. I'll give you my feedback in some time. I'll observe for some days. I'll confirm you. If the if issue again has occurred, and we can actually ask them to reanalyze the problem. Reanalyze means they have to do root cause analysis again. Okay, this guy confirms that okay, solution provided means it can be closed. Once incident is closed, our problem should be automatically closed. We have to write that logic. Getting my point? First of all, you'll create an incident. Second incident you will create. Third incident you will create. You will realize that this is a problem. So it will be assigned to a level 3 engineers. Level 3 engineers will start working on it. I told you, you will create a problem from the open incident. Okay, you will create a problem from the open incident. So the level 3 engineers will work on that problem. They will identify the root cause analysis. They will provide the cause notes, fix notes. They will apply the fix notes. They will resolve it. Once that is resolved, this open incident will be resolved automatically. So once it is resolved, these team members can ask this guy to observe for some time. So normally incidents get closed automatically after 7 days if you don't provide any response. So this guy can ask them to keep it in on hold for some time for observation. After observation, this guy confirms that my solution is permanently resolved. Permanently resolved, you can just close this incident. So once this incident is closed, the associated problem should be closed. Okay, here there is a mapping here. From this incident, this is the problem that is created. This is the problem that is created from this incident. We have a track here. Okay. Clear, right? So if you do it in your personal developer instance, you will come to know. You can you give me your personal developer instance details? Shami, I'll allow you to ask the questions. Okay, guys. Here, right? Here, if you are an administrator, ServiceNow administrator, if you are a level 3 administrator, ServiceNow, if you are a level 3 administrator, if any problem that is happening for an employee in the ServiceNow tool, ServiceNow application, ServiceNow admin has to work on problems. Here we are ServiceNow developers, right? If you are a ServiceNow admin, you will have to work on ServiceNow related problems. You are a ServiceNow developer, right? As a ServiceNow developer, you don't work on problems. You design this problem form. As a ServiceNow tester, you will test this form. As a ServiceNow admin, you will work on ServiceNow related problems. Okay. You got it right. In Salesforce also, there will be admins. Salesforce level 1 admin, level 2, level 3 admin. In Power BI also, Power BI level 1, level 2, level 3. In AWS also, AWS level 1, level 2, level 3. In admins, there will be levels, guys. But in the development, there will be junior developer, senior developer, subject matter expertise, something like that. There will be another level. Okay. You're clear, right? Cause notes means what is the cause notes? Cause notes means why the issue is happening. See, let me tell you in our normal language. If there is a stone in the stomach, you will get stomach pain. So cause notes means there is a stone in the stomach. There is a stone in the stomach. Fix notes means how to remove that stomach or how to remove that stone in the stomach. Here, identifying that there is a stone in the stomach. Here, how to remove that stomach, how to remove the stone in the stomach. Got it, right? So That is why problems are actually used, guys. Problems will be worked mostly by level 3 engineers. Level 3 engineers means specialists. Okay. No, sir, I directly create a problem. Directly, if you create directly a problem, how can you say that directly a problem? You are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? If you are a doctor, you can directly tell that this is a problem. If you are not a doctor, how can you tell that that is a problem? See, if you are a mechanic, you can understand. You have to change the engine oil and all. If you are not a mechanic, after so many days, you will realize. Got it right. So likewise, guys, problems will not be directly created. It has a process. First, you will create an incident. You will come to know that this is a problem, and you will ask the level 2 engineer to create the problem to level 3 engineer. Level 3 engineer will actually understand what is the issue, why it is happening, and all. He will check it from his end. He'll identify the root cause analysis. He'll provide the fixed notes. Then, after applying the fixed notes, he will resolve the problem. Once resolve the problem is resolved, incident will be resolved. Once incident is resolved, the person who is facing the issue has to observe for some time, and after observation, we will actually ask them to close the incident. Once the incident is closed, associated problem also should be closed. It it has a lot of process, guys. Okay. So here, guys, here this process flow we will create in coming days. This is technical thing. This field number is automatically populated, right? This number, how is it getting populated? Like this number field, we will also create a number field. Like all these fields, we also will create a fields. We will design this whole form from zero. We will create this section. We will create this section. We will create these buttons. Whatever the buttons that we are seeing here, right? We will create these buttons. If you scroll down, we will create these related lists. We will create these links. These are called related links. This is actually called form context menu. So we will also create these context menus. Whatever we are seeing, we will do everything from zero, from scratch. Okay. Guys, creating incident is not our duty. Creating problems is not our duty. Okay. Creating the incident form, designing the incident from some incident form, designing the problem form, designing the new form. So it is actually our responsibility, so that that form will be used by all the employees in the organization. So all employees use this incident form to create the incidents. All employees use this problem form to identify the root cause analysis. Okay. So it is ServiceNow is our application. We have to design the forms. Whatever the forms that we designed, every employee will use that. They will utilize this tool. Clear, right? Now I am unmuting everyone. You guys can ask your questions.
Uday.
Just a moment, guys. Then developer will come into picture. Okay. Guys, just a moment, guys. Here I'm answering one question. See, simultaneously, online people and you guys are both. Yeah, Harshita, now you can ask your question, Harshita.
Uh, Last one doubt, Uday. I mean, first problem will be closed or incident will be closed.
First incident will be closed, then problem will be closed.
Okay. Can I get that hierarchy? Like first will be L1 and second L2 and third L3. Like that, the hierarchy will go.
Yes.
I mean, L1 means who will be there? Like developers will be there in L1.
No, developers will never be admins.
Okay, so what kind of L1 it will be like? How we can? I mean, incident will be assigned by L2 to L3, right? Like what is? L1 then.
See, first of all, if you create an incident, if that is related to access, if that is something related to minor issues, then
Okay.
L1 will take care.
Okay.
If that is
Some
something,
kind of middleware or some kind of normal things, L2 will take based on the complexity of the
yes,
issue, right?
initial level of investigation will be done by level ones. If
Okay.
then,
Okay.
then if there is not, if that is not there in their control, they will go to L2. If that is not there in control, they will go to L3.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So which engineer you are? Level one engineer. Huh? You worked as a level one engineer. So you also get incidents. You do you get any problem ever? You never worked on problem. Okay. So what else you worked on in service now? Only incident. Shifting to level two teams. That's it. Hmm. Hmm. That's it. You did not do anything. Okay. See, guys, first of all, if the issue is related to Power BI, first it will go to Power BI level one. They'll do some initial investigation. If they can provide the solution, they'll provide it. If they are not able to provide the solution, they'll recommend to level two engineers. Level two engineers do their investigation. If they can provide the solution, they can also provide the solution. If they are not able to provide the solution, it will be moved to level three engineers. Level three engineers will look into it. If level three engineers not able to do it, they'll come to developers. If developers not able to do it, we'll go to ServiceNow company. If they are not able to do it, there is no one to ask. Okay, getting my point. ServiceNow company engineers must provide the solution. They don't have any option. Level one, level two, level three. Finally, it will go to developer. If they understand that this is not in our control, we'll go to ServiceNow directly. That is called high team. High, HI, high team. So we'll have to create a case to them. Why do we create a case to the ServiceNow? We are customer to ServiceNow. We are not an employee to the ServiceNow. We are a customer to the. Getting my point. See, employees create incident if they get any issues, but customer create a case to the business owner. We will create a case to high team. High team must provide the solution. There is no option for them. Okay, fine. In every team also, in every admin team also, there will be level one, level two, level three, then developer team, then high team. Yes, many. No, no, no. High team was able to provide all the solutions. They must provide the solution. If they did not provide the solution, there will be a lot of pressure on them. They design the product. They should have logs. They should have a lot of other processes. What is happening and all. They can do everything from their end. From the high team, 99.99% you will get the solution. Yes. If they are not able to provide the solution, who will provide the solution? So high team has to provide support to multiple companies, right? ServiceNow has almost uh, almost 20,000 customers are there. Yes, across the globe. They have to provide support to everyone. So whatever the issues that are coming to the high team are next level tough issues. So in the recent days, I wrote the logic. The logic that I have wrote and that I have written is working in the test environment, production environment. That is not working in the dev environment. Same logic, not even single space, single column. Everything is as it is in all the environment. Okay. But it is working in the test environment and prod environment. It is not working in the dev environment. And we did try our best, and then we created a case to the high team. So while creating the case, we have to replicate the issue. Steps to reproduce. We have to provide them steps to reproduce the issue. Then we did reproduce the issue, and then they did some analysis. Okay, they went to some privileges, cross-scope privileges. There will be some privileges. You are checking. You must check that. Something like that. They informed us. So then we understand there will be another class scope privileges. There is one role missing. Because of that, that is not getting created. We do check in our scope. They will check in beyond our scope. Got it right? Yeah, Shami, you have a question?
Yes, Uday.
Yes, Shami.
So, Uday, first question is generally, for every major incident, there would be a problem record which is created. Is that correct, Uday?
Yes.
So, whenever a major
So
incident is
here, one question. See, the point is that major incident is different. Major incident, if every employee face the same issue, that is a major incident.
correct,
If one employee is multiple times facing his incident, that is a problem.
okay,
See, if every employee is facing the issue, means that is a major incident.
mm-hmm.
That is an incident. That is not a problem.
Correct, correct. Okay,
Got it
so
right?
yeah, so we are talking about most probably L3, no, sorry, no, not L3, P3, P4, or P5 tickets we are talking about. When these tickets reoccur, at least for the thrice or 3 times or 4 times, that's when we create a problem record. Is that correct? Uday?
Yes, 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 yes.
Second question is, when we close a problem, let's say that today I've closed a problem. After 1 month, I've got the same issue again. For example, the server went down, due to a high load. They have restarted it, they have upgraded the server, but after 1 month, again the same issue came up. We have already closed this old ticket, which is which
You
was
can directly create a problem then.
okay. So we can just go. Can we correlate these two problems? Link
Yeah,
parent
yeah.
child kind of.
We can link it. There is a field called parent field. Yeah, definitely.
Even it is in a closed state, we can link it.
Yes, we can link it. So there will be a field called related field.
Mhm.
Let me just show you. So I'm able to link it, right? If you have to
Yes.
link multiple problems,
Mhm.
then you have to create a related list. There is a concept called related list.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mhm. Okay, that was the second question which I had. Can we actually, and just a quick question. See, it's the
Yes.
same issue which came back after one month. Let's assume the same scenario. We can just duplicate the closed ticket. Is that possible?
Yeah, that is possible. We can duplicate the problem. There should
No,
be
when it is in closed state.
See, even if it is in the even if it is in the closed state, you can duplicate it.
We can duplicate it.
Duplicate it. Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's the questions which I had. Thank you.
Yeah. See, just remember, in ServiceNow, everything is possible.
Okay.
99% is possible.
So as an admin or as a developer, it is possible. But
See,
when
even let us say here in this incident, I close this one. I am able to see copy incident. With the same details, I can create another incident.
Correct.
Okay. With the same details, I am able to create another incident. Okay. So same functionality you are expecting for a problem, right?
Correct.
Okay. So here you are not able to see copy problem. That
Correct.
button that option you can create it as a developer.
Okay. It depends upon the client requirement.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Got that. Got that. But again, the reason why I had this question is, as a technical guy, it could be L1 and L2, L3. Generally, when a problem is closed, you don't have that option where you can copy it directly. But
That
as a
saves the
service
time,
now,
right?
yeah. But again,
You can limit it to only admins also.
Correct. 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 Okay.
Everything is possible. Guys, ServiceNow is such a flexible tool where you can do everything.
And one more question, final question, Uday, if I'm asking too many questions.
Please.
Generally, we talk about the roles which we create. We add those roles, to our to the profile which we are creating or to the users which we are creating. But who creates those roles? That's who creates. For example, when I say admin, you have complete access to the what do you call service now. But
Okay.
if you're only a developer, you'll have only a developer role. These are the conditions. Who creates it in the background?
So there are some out of the box roles. Out of the box means ServiceNow provided roles. If you want to create a new role, developer can do it with the admin role. The person who is having admin role can create a new role in the roles list. Okay. Roles concept you will clearly understand when I cover access control list topic.
Okay, it's there in future classes. Okay,
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, guys.
And yesterday I had a problem where I was unable to renew that voucher for the exam.
I will update you about this one, guys. Many people have the same issue, right? I'll update you on this one tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
you utilize that. You were able to redeem that.
No, I was unable to redeem it. That's why the problem.
For voucher or for course.
Voucher, I was unable to redeem it because when I try to redeem the voucher, it is asking me to pay it either through your 300 credits which you have attained or 300 USD dollars, but it doesn't give me that option of credits. So that's where the problem is. If you want, I can show you.
No, I can understand. Many people are facing this issue.
Okay.
Okay, I'll provide solution for everyone. Okay.
And how about the dumps today? Is it possible?
Yeah, dumps also. Yeah, I have the dumps.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be sharing with you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you. See you there in tomorrow's session, guys. Thank you all.